Okay guys, so the Biker Brit here, just going to be taking you down one of my favourite sort of country roads. I just thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Hopefully it's nice and quiet, because I do love this road. Nice twisty, very, very fun. So let's go. So yeah, that's it. It's not long, but you know, it's one you can have fun on. I do enjoy it. I always came down here in the summer. There's a couple more, just where that right turn was. You can go further up and out, but that's just a quick way. Quick way round. You can go. Oh, I've got a snotty nose. Oh dear, it's cold weather. But yeah, it's fun. Jesus, he's gonna get himself killed. Get yourself one of these bad boys, way! But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Oh, bloody hell, lorries. This has been the Biker Brit, and I'll see you guys next time.